Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can restore previous version of a file in Google Drive. I'm gonna show you two methods. The first one is for all Google apps like Google Slides, Google Docs or Sheets, and it's basically that you have to open the file from that app. So let's say I want to open this Google Docs. I'm gonna open it, and here, if you are in this Google Docs app, you want to click on this icon which says last edit, this arrow, and it will show you all of the versions of this document. So if I click, for example, on this first one, you can see this was just blank page. Then I added something. Again, I removed something. And if I want to restore this version, I'm gonna just click on restore this version, restore. And you don't have to worry because it will also keep your latest version you had. So if you click on again this arrow, you can see you have this restored version, but you can still go back to your latest version you had. So this is the first method for the Google Apps. Now if you have something like video, PDF or photo, you can do that as well. What you have to do, you want to select it, right click here from the drop down, choose file information, and you can manage versions here too. So you can see I have only this version, but you can upload a new version or you can download the previous versions. So you can click on those three dots next to the version and click on download. And that's basically how you can restore previous version of your file in Google Drive. And this works basically for the PDFs or photos or anything different than Google Apps. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.